Hello and welcome to the video. Today I'm going to show you how to delete other storage file on your Android Samsung and free up more space. So if your device is getting really full on storage and it's getting laggy or slow and you don't want to delete the files that you have on your phone and they're important to you, I'm going to show you a method that you can do to free up other storage files to free up more space. So first, you will have to check your device storage. Open your settings and open your device storage right here and see how much storage you have left. And it will analyze all of these files. And as you can see, these other files are 11.34 GB in my device. So in order to delete these files, because I cannot delete them from right here, in order to delete these, you will have to open your Play Store and search for Storage Analyzer and Disk Uses. You have to download this app and open this. Once you open it, you will have to grant required permissions to access your data and files, and then go to file categories. As you can see, here is an option for other files that is 3.38 GB, and you will have to delete these files in order to free up space. So you have to select all and click on delete. Once you do this, hopefully all of your other files will be deleted and it will free up more space in your phone. So once again, if you do this and click on this, select all of your files and click on delete, it will delete all of these other files and free up your phone's storage. So if we check now, the phone storage should be decreased by now. And that's how you can easily delete other files in your Android Samsung phone to free up more space. Thank you for watching.